The Ton ecosystem is currently leading in onboarding new users to Web3, especially with the advent of Telegram games. Now, let's dive into 4 ways you can generate sustainable income from the Ton ecosystem. There are actually more than 4 ways, but for this video, I'll focus on only 4. I recently hosted a Twitter space with Bonaire Prince, a respected figure in the field, and he shared extensive knowledge on how to make money on the Ton ecosystem and answered a lot of questions, providing valuable insights. I highly recommend you go listen to that space. So what is Ton? Ton stands for the Open Network. You notice that it has a strong affiliation with Telegram. This is because when the project started in 2017, it used to be called Telegram Open Network, and its token was meant to be called Gram. This changed in 2020 because of SEC. You see, the governments are usually threatened when large social media platforms want to own a currency. The same thing happened with Facebook when they wanted to develop a currency. SEC outrightly stopped Facebook from doing that. Anyways, Telegram and Ton officially became 2 separate entities in 2020. Thus, we have Ton, the open network, and Ton as the token. If you have a Telegram account, you can generate a Ton wallet. You can also download the Ton Keeper as a standalone wallet. So, how do you make money in the Ton ecosystem? One is to get a job in the ecosystem. This is the most sustainable way to make a living from Ton. It's both challenging and rewarding, offering ample opportunities for growth and learning. It's challenging because you might need to apply to several projects before getting picked. However, the tasks are straightforward and manageable, requiring only your consistency and dedication. 2 places I suggest you start your job search is Twitter and Ton Starter. So go to X and start your search with the hashtag Ton. Look for projects on Ton, especially the new ones. Find those gaining momentum. Verify their legitimacy. Are they a true legit project or scam? Then determine the service you can offer to them, whether it's social media management, Telegram administration, graphic design, programming. Just determine the projects you can offer to them. You should know that many of these projects are looking for workers, but they really want people who can actually do the job. So don't just go and ask for a job when you've identified what you can do for them. You need to stand out. First, make sure it's a project you like and you're passionate about. Then understand the project, read the white paper, and start providing value to get noticed. Get noticed by attending their Twitter spaces, ask insightful questions, contribute to the discussion, and answer questions on their Telegram and Discord channel. This way, the team will notice you and might make you an offer even without you applying for the job. Or when you eventually apply for a job, they will likely say yes. You could even offer to join the team and work for the project for free initially. This will give you experience, networking opportunity, and recommendations that will lead you to getting employed by a bigger project with a bigger pay. So people even become advisors to multiple projects after gaining experiences this way. It also gives you the wealth of experience and ideas to eventually start your own project. Now, if you've gotten a job in Web3 using this method, share your experience in the comment section, and also share your results if you want to apply this method in getting a job. And like I said, it is not easy, but it is simple and pays off in a big way. Ton Starter is a launchpad for projects on the Ton ecosystem. So you can spot projects here and just do the same thing I've already said with the projects you spot. Number 2 is NFT. Bonaire Prince, which is the guy I held the Twitter space with, explained this extensively in the Twitter space. You can mint NFTs from new projects on Ton, some for free and others with small minting fee. When these projects eventually gain momentum and adoption, these free NFTs you minted could be worth a lot of money. But before you connect your wallet to any project, make sure that it is not a scam project. Number 3 is Mcoin. Now imagine discovering the next wave of popcats on the Ton ecosystem. Meme coins are a fundamental part of the crypto culture. Every ecosystem has its winning meme coin. So keep an eye on the Ton ecosystem and watch out for the meme coin that is growing consistently in users and community and reputation. Just look for where the money is flowing to. that might just be the winning meme coin. Beside this, you can make good money trading meme coins. So subscribe to this channel if you have not, because in the month of September and even October, I'll be sharing a lot of practical strategies to make money trading meme coin. Number 4 is the Telegram tab bots. I've made multiple videos about Telegram tab bots: Hamster, Mcoin, Dogs, MemeFi, Blom, and others. In this video here, I discussed what I learned from Piggy's overs and went deep into how to actually make money from Telegram bots. It is not what you think. It is not just tapping. So click here to watch that video.